Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can make a shortened link from a long link. So without wasting any time, let's begin. First of all, open Google Chrome. Then search for bit.ly from here. In here click on bit.ly.com. Guys, bit.ly is a URL shortening service and a link management platform that lets you harness the power of your links by shortening, sharing, managing and analyzing links to your content. Here you can work without logging in, so here I am not logging in. Here you paste your link URL which you will shorten. If you want to shorten your YouTube channel link, then copy the link of your YouTube channel. And paste it here. Then finally tap on shorten button. Now you can see the link has been shortened. Now tap on copy and paste the link where you want to share. As a proof, if I go to a browser and here if I paste the link and search it from here, then you can see that I have gone directly to my YouTube page. In the same process, you can easily shorten your any file links from here. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, so please leave a like.